Hello, good afternoon. So our topic for today will be basic concepts in assessing student learning. So we have four basic concepts in assessing learning. The first one is the test or testing. The word that would describe it would be it's a tool, no? And measurement is more on the scoring. And then assessment, it's more on the grading. And evaluation is more on the passing or the failing. So I have here some licensure examination questions, and let's try to answer some of these to fully understand the four basic terms. Okay, number one, which of the following terms refers to the collecting, organizing, and analyzing data using statistical tools to arrive at varied results? What do you think is the answer? When you say measuring, you are giving a score, like you will be giving 9 over 10, right? For here, the correct answer is assessment.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so assessment is collecting, organizing, and analyzing data. Okay, how about this one? Teacher Joy is comparing measurement from evaluation. Which statement explains the difference? For this one, we can differentiate measurement from evaluation by the letter A. Measurement is assigning a numerical value to a given trait. So measurement is giving a score, while evaluation is giving meaning to the score that the student got. So example, the grade is, for measurement, it is 9. So if you will evaluate that, what does 9 mean? It's a pass. No, it's a high pass, or it's very satisfactory, something like that. So it's letter A. How about this one? Who among the teachers described below is doing assessment? Letter A, Mrs. Lopez, who is administering a test to her students. Letter B, Mr. Espina, who is computing the scores obtained by the students in his test. Letter C, Ms. Reyes, who is computing the final grade of the students after completing all the requirements. And letter D, Ms. Aleria, who is planning for remedial instruction after knowing what students perform poorly in her test. Okay. Uh, when we say assessment, it's more on grading. So sino sa kanila ang nagbibigay ng grade? It's letter C.
C.
Miss Reyes, who is computing the final grade of the students after completing all the requirements. So really, assessment is more on collecting, organizing, and gathering the data to make a grade.
Yes,
Letter
sir.
A, Mrs. Lopez, who is administering a test to her students that's testing or giving a test. Letter B, Mr. Espina, who is counting the scores. That is measurement. And then letter D, Miss Aleria, who is planning for remedial instruction after knowing that students perform poorly. That's evaluation. Because you're already done to make a grade. You decide that they failed because you are giving a remedial exam. So letter D is evaluation. Okay. This one. Who among the teachers described below is doing evaluation? As I said, it's letter A. Teacher Anne is planning for remedial class for students' low performance. Why is it evaluation? Because you are already deciding the students that they failed and you will be giving a remedial class for them to improve their performance.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sige, question? Wala?
None, sir.
Sige. Next, this one. Which of the following statements is or are considered correct? 1. Test is a tool to measure a trait. 2. Measurement is the process of qualifying a trait. 3. Assessment is the gathering of quantity and quality data. 4. Evaluation is the analysis of quantity and quality data for decision making. 1. Test is a tool to measure a trait. That's correct. Test is a tool that measures a trait. And then measurement is the process of qualifying trait. I think this is wrong Because when you say measurement, it will give you a quantity. No, so it's not
Quantity.
qualifying, but it should be quantifying.
Quantifying.
So wrong ng qualifying. Number 3, assessment is the gathering of quantity and quality data. That is correct. Number 4, evaluation is the analysis of the quantity and quality data for decision making. It's also correct. So ang wrong lang dira is number 2. So the answer is letter D, 1, 2, and 4. Letter D.
1, 3, and 4, sir.
1, 3, and 4. Letter D, no?
Yes, sir.
Next. Which of the following is a precise meaning of evaluation? Which of this is a precise meaning of evaluation? What is evaluation? Judging.
Judgment, judging.
So it's more on interpreting and
Attaching value to the
letter D. Okay, this one. Mr. Joe is judging the worth of students' projects in his class based on a set of criteria. What process describes his action? Judging the worth? What's
Evaluating.
judging?
Evaluating.
It
Evaluating, sir.
is judging.
Evaluating.
evaluating.
Evaluating. Okay, very good. How about this one? Which of these best defines assessment? Assessment is letter D.
D.
Gathering information about students to make
Gather
decisions.
information about students
To make decisions. Okay, this is so I'll be giving you a sample of the definitions and the concepts that we are talking about. Generally, test is an instrument, no? That's designed to measure any characteristic, quality, ability, knowledge, or skill. Measurement is a process of quantifying. Quantifying, maghatag og quantity to the degree to which someone or something possesses a given trait. It is also assigning of numbers to a performance, product, skill, or behavior. So here, assessment is collection, interpretation, and use of quantity and quality information to assess teachers in their educational decision making. While evaluation is the process of making judgments about the quality of a performance, product, skill, or behavior. Okay, this will be our topic next meeting, but I'll be asking something. So let's go back to the first slide, this one. So this basically is what you need to recall. When you say test, it's a tool. So take note of that one. A test is a tool. It's also an instrument. No, so you can have the two words tool and instrument.
Instrument.
Measurement, it's more on the scoring, the score. It's also assigning of value. It's also quantity. The word quantity that talks about measurement. Assessment is on the grading. It's more on collecting, organizing, no?
Data.
Gathering. So that's assessment. Evaluation is more on judging the worth. It's more on giving quality. If measurement is quantity, evaluation is quality. No? Or it's judging the worth. It's giving a qualitative interpretation. That's evaluation.